Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Docker installed, virtualization on, and a strong SA password ready. Next, pull the official image so you have the exact SQL Server binary. This ensures compatibility. Then run the container with accept EULA and SA password environment variables, map port 1433, and give the container a name. Once done, you'll have a running container instance. Make sure Docker has allocated enough memory before proceeding to avoid runtime memory errors. You now verify and configure, inspect logs for readiness, and exec into the container to run /opt/mssql-tools/bin/sqlcmd to test a simple select. Then connect from your client Azure Data Studio or SSMS using localhost 1433 and the SA credentials you set. To preserve databases, mount a host directory or a named volume to /var/opt/mssql. Otherwise, data is ephemeral. Once mounted, initialize backups and create users. This makes your development environment reproducible and safe from container restarts. You finish by automating the deployment in Docker Compose, specifying image, ports, env, volumes, and restart policy so the service comes back after reboots. Make routine backups to the mounted storage and validate restores to avoid surprises. If SQL Server fails to start, check container logs for error codes, confirm Docker memory allocation is sufficient, and verify SA password meets complexity rules. Fix the password or memory and restart. Finally, monitor the container and iterate on configuration to stabilize your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.